balance of aerodynamics and plenty of downforce without ruining the Lotus's already attractive shape is no small task. So many factors, all of which come together on one day, are the culmination of a man's 5-year-long dream to build the fastest road car on Earth. This road missile, though it may be street legal, is basically a race car. A no-frills merchant of death ready to remind you that nothing will ever feel fast again.